Who discovered it? Oh, okay.
No, I can smell it as soon as I walked in here.
See, I couldn't. Normally I can, because I hate the smell of it. So.
Let him get the cuffs on, and then we'll tell you what's going on, okay?
Help me. Thank you.
Date the 24th of February 2025, Event TSA flagged a checked suitcase for an undeclared firearm and marijuana. Airport police conducted a 8-minute on-camera investigation, resulting in a felony arrest. Location, Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood International Airport, Florida, United States.
Yes, I'm Frontier.
Okay. Is one of your passengers?
Yes.
You know their name?
He has a name.
That's the undeclared, and we're not 100% sure.
All right. Lano. So let's go ahead and take that. That's 709. What phone number they have?
What unit number vehicle do you have? So it's a picture of the user's information. 9564. 9564.
Seven bags.
709. We're going out of 8 still. Copy 810.
A lot of marijuana. Who discovered it? Oh, okay. So what happened?
Well, the bag alarmed, and I noticed that the bag wasn't properly locked. So I go in there to assess that. Initial alarm, of course, it was an alarm, which is against our SOP, and we're also looking for a declaration, which wasn't there.
Okay.
And I was looking for the declaration. That's when we noticed these bags.
Why did the bag initially alarm?
It wasn't properly locked.
Okay.
This thing should be locked, and he had like a wire locks, but they weren't.
That's a padlocks.
Yeah.
That's a padlocks, yeah.
No, I can smell it as soon as I walked in here.
See, I couldn't. Normally I can, because I hate the smell of it. So.
Yeah, as soon as I walk right here, I can smell it, even though it was sealed. Now we just got to identify the guy, and if he says, hey, ain't my bag, I didn't do anything, regardless of what he says, what do you think is a good idea for us to do?
Check video, MCR, see
So
if we got him.
we can get, with the back tag, we can see what time he checked in, we'll know how he looks, and then get an MCR to give us cameras, see him walking with the backpack, checking it in.
5 ways. She has zone 1? No, but she was in zone 1?
Wilkerson?
Yes.
All right. Hey, can you take off your backpack for me really fast? All right. Just put it on the ground. Go ahead and turn around.
You're just being detained at this time.
Let him get the cuffs on, and then we'll tell you what's going on, okay?
Help me. Thank you.
709, we got one.
Yeah.
Detained in cuffs. All right, we can go sit over here. We'll grab your backpack. You can have a seat right here.
Do you have any checked luggage?
No.
You don't?
That's all my luggage right there.
That's it?
Yes.
Okay. You didn't check a bag?
No.
Okay.
How do you pronounce your first name?
Lamont, L-A-M-O-N-T.
And what's your last name?
Wilkerson, W-I-L-K-E-R-S-O-N.
Okay.
Are you traveling with anybody else?
Yes, my little brother, he right there.
Okay. Did he check a bag?
I'm not sure.
What's your little brother's last name?
Same as yours?
No. He right there. He right there talking to the lady.
Black jacket?
Yes.
Match yours?
Sir, are you traveling with this gentleman right here? Are you traveling with this gentleman right here? Can we get you to step around the corner and speak with us as well? Go ahead and grab your bag.
What's going on?
You can have a seat. Do you have your ID on you?
Yes.
I have a. Have a seat and we'll explain everything. So this is your brother?
Yeah.
Come over here. Blood related, or how come you guys don't have the same last name?
What? I'm trying to see what's going on though.
Okay. Did you guys check in the bag?
Check in?
Yep. Under the plane.
Right.
Is it your bag or is it his bag?
What? What bag?
The bag that's under Wilkerson's name.
What happened though?
Hey, so you didn't check a bag. You don't know if he checked a bag?
Man, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. It's early in the morning.
Okay.
My mind everywhere now. I'm in handcuffs. I ain't expect all this. I'm just trying to get home.
Chicago's home?
Not necessarily Indiana.
Oh, okay.
We have a bag that was checked under Wilkerson's name, okay? That's why we're here. So we're just trying to figure out what's going on, why TSA called us over here in reference to that bag. Do you have any idea of what I'm talking about?
Okay. That's what I'm trying to see. Right?
Well, if it doesn't involve you, so did you check in the bag? Do you have any luggage under the plane?
Nah.
You don't have any luggage?
Yeah, that's my brother.
So he has luggage?
Yeah,
That
y'all
he checked
got luggage, yeah.
Okay, that you guys checked in under the plane?
Yeah.
Okay. What bag? Did you have a marking on your bag?
Nah, that's just that flannel bag. That's the only bag we check in.
Okay, did he check it in or did you check it in?
My brother, it's under his name.
So why are you flying to Chicago if you're Indiana?
No, I just came to visit I just went down for a visit.
Oh, okay.
I just went down from Indiana. I went to the Midwest, Chicago.
Okay.
Texas.
Okay.
I've been down there all weekend.
Okay, so is there any reason why TSA would have called us?
That's what I'm trying to figure out. I don't know. I'm just going on the phone.
We just have a bag that we're investigating, and we're trying to figure out what's in the bag, why TSA would call us for this bag, and they identified this bag, which comes back to your brother.
My flight's ain't coming.
What's going on? Like, can I get something?
So you're just detained right now. We have a bag under your name, so that's why we're asking if you checked the bag.
Bag under my name?
Yeah.
No, ma'am,
Okay.
I was literally just gonna pay for the other.
Okay.
Do you want to stay with your brother, or do you want to go catch a flight? I mean, if you're not saying the bag's yours, I mean it's not yours. If you didn't check it in, he checked it in, then we just gotta ask him some few more questions. So,
yeah, what happened?
He said it was a floral with flowers on it. Okay. But they just said they checked in one bag. Okay. Altogether, but it was his bag that they checked in.
What bag? The name on it?
His name.
Right, that's what I'm saying. What I got? Well,
So, I mean, if you don't want to be here, you don't have to be here. So if you didn't check any bags, then we just gotta talk to him. If you said that was his bag.
I'm trying to figure out. You saying y'all? I'm trying to see what's going on.
We have a bag under your name.
You have a bag under my name.
Yeah.
Oh, and it must contain something that it should contain.
Please take the scout and head to
I don't know how y'all
D6, Delta 6.
I'll pay my carry-on real quick.
Yeah, you can go check your carry-on. Okay, so you told me you didn't check in the bag, but your brother said you did check in the bag. So you did check in the bag?
I haven't checked anything. These are two bags I came with, sir. I can't speak for nobody else.
Okay.
I'm saying, these are my two bags. Y'all can go through them. There's money in one of them, and I ain't gonna lie. I don't know nothing. She just telling me she caught a bag. I don't know. That's my name.
Do you have a time on that ticket? We can call NCR and find out exactly who put it.
Issue date 6:08 a.m.
All right.
And he's saying he didn't pack a bag.
No, but his brother said that was his bag that he checked, but he's saying he didn't check any bag. So we're just trying to figure out whose bag it is. Your brother already said it's your bag.
It's my bag?
Yeah, it was a floral bag. He said it was yours. You checked it in, okay? That's where we're at. But then you're telling me it's not your bag. So I got two different stories.
You couldn't have said that. So my two bags was right here.
So why is it checked in under your name?
I'm not sure. It's been all type of complications with me getting through. They said I was fraud at first when I came through because my last name didn't say Junior because I'm a junior and they was gonna say it was my dad and they weren't gonna let me through with that. I was having a problem with that at first. I've been having problems since I got here at 6 a.m. like 5 a.m. These are my only two bags I came with.
I understand. So you're saying these are the only two bags you came with?
My only bags.
But your brother is telling us that you checked in a floral bag. Do you know what he's talking about then? So why would he say that?
I don't know. Y'all go get him. I don't know. But y'all check the cameras. These two bags I came in with.
So he's lying to us, is what you're saying.
I don't even know what he's told y'all.
I just told you what he told you, that you checked in a floral bag. One bag, floral bag, you guys checked it in. You checked it in, and it's under your name.
I didn't check no bag, and I didn't pay for no bag. I didn't do anything.
So why is he saying otherwise?
I'm not sure, sir. I don't know. I don't even know. I'm literally telling you everything I know. You can check everything.
Okay, any reason why TSA would call us, the police, to come respond to this location?
Sir, this completely has me in shock. I don't have anything I shouldn't have in either of my bags.
That's what we're doing. I'm going to let you know the process we're doing. We're seeing who carried in that bag and who checked it in. But at the end of the day, the bag's under your name, and I'm trying to figure out why is it under your name.
I get that, sir. I don't understand why it's in my name. There's been a lot of miscellaneous things going on since I've been here to check in.
Yeah, but your brother doesn't work for the airport, and he said it was your bag. So...
Steve! Where he go?
He got on the flight.
He's on the plane.
No way.
So he kind of just left you high and dry here. So, I mean, if you want to tell us, is it his bag or is it your bag?
It's not my bag. I don't know whose bag it is, but you can ask the lady. I didn't check in any bags.
Okay. The problem we're having is the bag. It has your tag, your reference number on it, that you checked in that bag.
I didn't check in any bag.
And then your brother said it's your bag, so kind of.
I didn't check in any bag. Y'all can check the cameras. I know.
He described the bag perfectly as a floral bag.
I can't describe the bag to you.
Okay, I'm so why would your brother say this?
I can't believe he said that because it ain't mine.
If it's your brother's bag, let us know if it's your brother's bag.
I don't know whose bag it is. That's what I'm trying to tell you. I don't know. I wish y'all could show me a video of me walking. I'm saying, it's not my bag.
So somebody's trying to frame you then, or?
It's something going on. It's been something going on since, that's why I'm getting here late. That's why I'm getting to my flight late, because there's been something going on every step to get in here since I've been here, literally.
Did your brother check in a bag on your behalf?
That's what I'm saying. We go out, when we start registering for things and put our information in, do our thing, we go to different registers.
So you didn't come in together?
We did come in. We get coming together. He has his girlfriend with him, and we split ways. You see what I'm saying? Okay. And we handle our business. But if you take the camera, you see on the airport too bad.
So your brother told us this is the bag and that it's yours. Now, if your brother just threw you under the bus, I'm sorry.
I don't think he did that because I haven't bought anything. I haven't put anything on this plane.
Okay. Look at it this way. Your brother's on the flight. You're here with us. He gave us all the information we need to identify the bag and link it to a person. The bag's also linked.
You can't tell me my brother linked that bag to me because he knows that it isn't my bag.
He told me directly to my face that was your bag and you checked it in.
I would say anymore, since you've actually taken him off of a plane and you've detained him to the point where he is no longer going to get on a plane. I would say if you ask him any more questions. So we have enough boarding pass from there. MCR sends a picture. I would not question him anymore because now that the plane is gone, would a reasonable person, so just wait and see if we get the picture.
64. Just follow that man right there. Follow them. They ID'd him. They ID'd him. So at this point, you have been ID'd as the person carrying the bag in. So you are being placed under arrest. There's marijuana in the bag and a stolen firearm.
And you're being arrested before, right? You got a felony, so you can possess a firearm regardless. So felony possession, okay?
No.
All right, we're done.
I'm gonna have you step down right in front of the car.
All right, so since you have a lot of stuff, I'm gonna do a double check to make sure you don't have anything on you. All right?
Mm-hmm.
You absolutely don't have anything inside pockets anywhere on you.
Just check it. I don't have anything.
Okay. Because usually some of these jackets, sometimes like this inside pocket. No, they're going to do that at the jail, but if you have anything in your shoes and you try to bring it into the jail, then that's another charge. You really don't want another charge for bringing something.
And just so you know that we went line to you. That's you pulling the back right here. Okay.
Alright, we're going to get in on this side. Watch your step. Okay, best way is to go in with your left foot and just kind of slide in. Watch your head. Oh!
What would I get?
Once you get in and they process you, you'll have a call. If that makes sense.
Do I get a bond?
They'll talk to you about everything there, okay?
Appreciate y'all. Yeah, appreciate
You
y'all.
guys, you guys better come help.
All right, guys.
Administrative search exception. 4th Amendment. United States v. Davis, 482F. 2D 893. Ninth search, 1973. Airport screening requires no warrant and no probable cause. Passengers grant implied consent to TSA inspection as a condition of boarding. Once contraband is discovered, referral to law enforcement is lawful without further judicial authorization. Lesson: the Fourth Amendment warrant requirement does not apply at airport security checkpoints. Firearms and checked baggage. Federal Aviation Regulations, 49 CFR 175.1A8. An unloaded firearm may be checked only if 1, declared to the airline at check-in, and 2, secured in a locked, hard-sided container. Failure to satisfy both conditions simultaneously constitutes a federal regulatory violation independent of any state firearms law. 49 U.S.C. 46505. Carrying a concealed weapon aboard an aircraft in checked baggage is a standalone federal criminal offense, not merely a regulatory infraction. Investigative detention. Reasonable suspicion. Standard Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 11968. A brief investigative stop requires only reasonable articulable suspicion, a threshold lower than probable cause. A baggage tag linking a named passenger to a flagged bag containing contraband clears that bar. Lesson officers do not need to identify the owner beyond doubt before detaining. Documented baggage linkage alone satisfies Terry. Miranda timing. When custodial interrogation begins. Berkemer v. McCarty, 468 U.S. 4201984. Miranda warnings are not required during a Terry investigative stop. Howes v. Fields 565 U.S. 4992012. Once a suspect is handcuffed and subjected to targeted questioning with no freedom to leave the encounter becomes custodial. Miranda obligations attach at that point. Lesson: handcuffing a suspect while continuing to interrogate without Miranda creates a suppressible statement window. Officers should administer warnings at the moment of effective custody, not only at formal arrest. Multi-source probable cause. Totality of circumstances, Illinois versus Gates, 462 U.S. 2 131983. Probable cause requires no single conclusive factor. Courts assess the totality of circumstances. 3 independent sources converging on the same subject, baggage tag, witness identification, and surveillance footage, each individually corroborate the others and together satisfy the constitutional threshold for arrest. Murray v. United States, 487 U.S. 5331988. Evidence derived from an independent source remains admissible even if other evidence is later suppressed. Surveillance footage and baggage records insulate the probable cause finding. Federal firearms and drug charges, sentencing exposure 18U, SC 922 G1, felon in possession of a firearm, 10-year statutory maximum. Mandatory minimum applies if Armed Career Criminal Act ACCA is triggered by 3 qualifying prior convictions, 18 U.S.C. 922J. Stolen firearm. Requires proof that subject knew or had reasonable cause to believe the firearm was stolen. 21 U.S.C. 841B1D. Federal marijuana trafficking 10 pounds exceeds the federal threshold. Presumption of distribution intent attaches. Sentence runs consecutively to firearms charges. Fifth Amendment. How to correctly invoke the right to silence. Miranda v. Arizona, 384 U. S4361966. The right to remain silent must be actively invoked. Burgheis v. Tompkins, 560 U.S. 3702010. Invocation must be unambiguous and unequivocal. Continuing to answer questions after detention does not constitute invocation. Lesson: the correct invocation is a single clear statement. I am invoking my right to remain silent, and I want an attorney. Silence alone, or evasive answers, is not legally sufficient. Once invoked under Edwards v. Arizona, 451 U.S. 477-1981, all questioning must cease.